Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a requested video from you guys. So when I went to the Marshmello concert, I did this double wing and you guys seemed to really like the look, and I asked you guys if you wanted to see a video on it and you said yes. So I am doing the video now because I have time, and also I am not wearing even a little bit of makeup, just wearing lip balm. I hope you guys don't mind that, but I'm only gonna be showing you the technique, I guess, or how to do it. Basically just gonna give you a nudge in the right direction because every single eye shape is different and you have to do it according to your own eye shape, so I can't really tell you exactly what to do. So first, obviously, I am gonna be opening my makeup bag and looking for my eyeliner. So basically I am gonna do a basic black wing eyeliner on both of my eyes, and you can also do it any way you like it. If you want kind of like an in-depth video, let me know, I will do it, but abhi ke liye I'm just gonna put this thing in fast forward and then just basically tell you how to do the double wing. I have done the basic job. I have done a pretty crappy job because I don't usually use the second mirror and my hands are not quite steady, but I have done a basic map of a wing. Both of them are not sharp because my favorite eyeliner is about to like run out. It's really dry, so I can't be precise with this right now. But doing the second wing, I hope you have more precision, which is why I'm not going to be using this. I'm going to be using the Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner. This is very like thin, so it's very precise, and I will be using this for my second liner. Basically what you guys have to do is try, जैसे कि जो भी डायरेक्शन में तुमने विंग बनाई है उसी डायरेक्शन में बस एकदम छोटा सा होना चाहिए. There should also be enough gap कि you can see the little bit of the skin in between. नहीं तो if it gets mixed up, it will look really like not cute at all. So try not to do that. So we have to be precise and thin and not as long as our wing liner. Really small, like you're making a mini wing. Okay, so basically it's like this. Now obviously this looks ridiculous, I know you guys. You have to use kajal so that you can basically blend all of this in really nicely. As you see, मैंने ऊपर से wing नहीं बनाया है because it will be like the wings are moving away from each other. So मैंने basically waterline पे एक point select कर लिया है जहाँ से मेरे को थोड़ा दूर से वो liner लाना है. End में it should be like this, kind of, you know, going थोड़ा सा मोटा and then, you know, nicely get going in and joining the waterline and drag it थोड़ा बहुत अंदर. Will make it look like super edgy, and I like it like this. But if you want, you can use kajal like I am about to right now because I want to show you guys every possible way that you can actually do this. And I'm using the Maybelline Colossal one. But yeah, to kind of make it more smoky, I'm gonna connect the two like this. So yes, that is it for today, you guys. This technique I know is very basic, but once you get a hang of it, once you try it, you will really like this look. You will ace it. Don't get disheartened if you don't get it on the first try, and also there's no one way to do it correctly, so try different ways of doing things and you might actually do it perfectly one day. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you would like to see more makeup videos, and also subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. I hope you guys enjoyed today and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.